Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening, sir.
Okay, today we will see about this. The
evening, sir.
good evening, good evening. Okay, today we will see about this. Okay, how 60 minute is totally calculated. Okay, total 60 minute of trituration. Okay, so just see this page on screen. Okay, 250 page is there. Okay, so there how it is calculated or how 60 minute is divided. Okay, because many times examiner they ask. Okay, how this in trituration process. Okay, when you are converting from crude form to 1x or from crude form to 1C, then 1C to 2C, 2C to 3C, or 1x to 2x, 2x to 3x. When you are converting, okay, you take 60-minute times, okay, but how these 60-minute times are consumed, okay, or how it is used, okay. The mathematical expression, okay, total time 60 minutes, okay, 20 minutes first stage, 20 minutes second stage, 20 minutes last or third stage, okay. Then here we will see first stage 20 minute, 10 minutes will be rubbing 6 minute, scrubbing 3 minutes, mixing 1 minute. Okay, total 10 minute. Then uh, again same thing 10 minutes, 6 minutes rubbing, 3 minutes scrubbing and 1 minute mixing. Okay, remember this. Okay, one anyone may be clockwise and anyone may be anti-clockwise. Okay, one time you are doing clockwise, one time you are doing anti-clockwise. Okay, then same thing next 20 minutes. Okay, second stage 10 minutes, 6 minute rubbing, 3 minutes scrubbing, 1 minute asked many times. Okay, in objectives also. Okay, like 6 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, like this. Okay, so rubbing, scrubbing and mixing, you remember this. Okay, then again we have, if we have first time we have done clockwise, then second time we will do the anti-clockwise. 10 minutes, 6 minutes rubbing, 3 minutes scrubbing, 1 minute mixing. Okay, then again last stage is there, same thing is there, 10 minutes if we are doing anti-clockwise, 6 minutes rubbing, 3 minutes scrubbing, 1 minutes mixing. Okay, then 10 minutes, 6 minute rubbing, 3 minutes scrubbing and 1 minutes mixing. Okay, the total 60 minutes is this. Okay, so remember this table or this explanation of 60 minutes how it is used. Okay, then second scrubbing 3 minutes. Okay, already we know. Then second stage duration 10 minutes, it also consumes three phases. Then second point is third point is mixing or stirring 1 minute. After scrubbing properly with a spatula, the uh, scraped material is mixed and stirred with spatula. Okay, then rubbing 6 minutes, scrubbing 3 minutes, mixing or stirring 1 minutes. Now the 20 minutes of second stage is completed. Okay, the total time is this, just this same table you can make, and after that you can do an explanation. Okay, wording explanation you can do. Okay, then second stage duration 10 minutes. It consists of three stages, 6 minutes rubbing, 3 minutes scrubbing and mixing 1 minutes. Okay, then procedure in second stage is almost similar to that of first stage. The 20 minutes of stage of trituration is completed. Okay, second stage duration 20 minutes. This stage is also subdivided into two sub stages. First stage duration 10 minutes and the beginning of first sub stage 33 grains of the sugar of milk is added to the trituration substances which is being triturated in the first stage. It consists of the three phases. Okay, rubbing, scrubbing and mixing. Okay, all the things will be similar. Okay, just you have to understand the stages. Okay, well, otherwise the whole process is similar. Okay, rubbing, scrubbing and mixing. Okay, so first stage is completed, then we have second stage. Okay, second step will also contain same thing. Okay, then after that we have third stage duration 20 minutes. Procedure is same as first stage. However, remaining 33 grams of the sugar of milk is there. Hence, trituration substances which are triturated in second stage. Now at the end of 1 hour, first stage first potency is completed. Okay, so what after 60 minutes you can complete in trituration process. 60 minutes will complete the first potency. Okay, then preparation of second degree trituration or second potency. Okay, second degree trituration, 1 grain of the above product is triturated in a similar way with the 99 grams of sugar of milk. After 1 hour it will be second centesimal potency. Okay, if I want to make third centesimal potency, then what I have to do? If I want till second, you understood here. Okay, in book you have seen till second. If I want to make third potency, okay, third centesimal potency, what I have to do? Anyone of you can tell?
रेड पेन मिल गया
Washim, Wasim, Vaish Ali Khan.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell how you will make third C potency, 3C, second C potency? Like second degree we have made. Okay, 1 grain of the above product is triturated in similar way with the 99 grains of sugar of milk. Okay, after 1 hour it will be second centesimal potency. Okay, so how will you make third centesimal potency? Any idea? To make third centesimal potency, you have to take 1 grain from the second centesimal potency, okay, and 99 parts of sugar of milk, okay, and you have to do all the process as per 60 minute, okay, 60 minute you have to do
Yes, sir.
all the process, okay. And if you want
Yes.
to make fourth potency, again same thing, from third potency 1 grain you will take, okay, and 99 minims of 99 grains of sugar of milk you will take, okay, and you will go to you will do all the process 1 hour, okay, and you will get the 4C potency, okay. So like this will
For second.
go one by one, okay. So you have to remember these stages, okay. 60-minute stage you need to remember, okay. And every time, first time you will take the crude drug, okay, 1 grain. Second time 1 grain from the first potency. Third time you will take 1 grain from second potency. Fourth time you will take 1 grain from third potency, like that, okay. It will go on, and you have to take the 99 parts of sugar of milk, okay. Everyone has means it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we will go to next part, okay, because this is important, okay. Examiners they ask, and this is the process of making homeopathic medicines, okay, trituration medicines, okay, in decimal scale. Now we will see decimal scale only change is the all things are similar except the ratio is 1:9, okay, 1:9. One part is medicine and 9 part is sugar of milk, okay. So the same process as for the potencies under centesimal scale it carried out, it also applicable for the trituration under the decimal scale, expecting that 1 part by weight of the drug substances will be triturated with 9 parts by weight of the sugar of milk for the period of 1 hour. Similar 1 hour, okay, what we have discussed, okay, 1 hour including 3 stages, each constitute 20 minutes, and in the centesimal scale and divided into 9 parts, okay, 9 parts of the sugar of milk, 3 equal parts, 3 plus 3 plus 3, okay. First 20 minutes 3 parts, second 20 minutes 3 plus 3, then third 20 minute, last 3, okay. Thus in 1 hour first potency 1x potency in decimal scale is prepared, okay. For the second potency trituration, 1 part of the first potency with 9 parts of sugar of milk is uh, used in usual way, okay. Lucky,
Yes, sir.
how will you make 3x potency? 3x potency, how will you make?
Mm,
Try.
sir, one part of the uh,
You
crude
one
drug
part.
and the of the vehicle.
No. You will not take crude drug. Okay, one part you will take. If I will tell
So
you to make second X potency, one part you will take. Okay, okay, and
yeah,
9 part of sugar of milk. Okay, just to make first potency 1x or first potency you need 1 part from crude drug, okay. If you want to make second potency you have to take 1 part from first potency, okay. This is like a chain, okay. Means relay race, you have heard na, relay race, okay. Just
yes,
one part you have to take, okay. It is touching and going forward like that, okay. It is just like that. Okay, means first only one C or one X potency you need one part from crude drug. Okay, second if you want you have to take one part from first. Okay, third you want one part from second, fourth you want one part from third. Okay, like that. Okay, so it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because if you will not understand, then it is not use of like studying this potentization chapter, because this is the, like I told you earlier also, soul of homeopathy. Okay, means this is the only process by which homeopathic medicines are prepared. Okay, so this trituration process is of 1 hour. Okay, and 23 times it is divided 60 minutes. Okay, and 20 minutes is again divided into two parts. Okay, like 10 is again divided into rubbing, scrubbing and mixing. Okay, so 6 minutes, 3 minutes and 1 minute. Okay, and this trituration process is like a chain. Okay, chain you are doing. Okay, when you are making one X potency you are taking one 1 grain from the crude drug, then 99 grain from the sugar of milk. Okay, then after 1 hour if 1 C is made, to make 2C you will take 1 grain from 1C and 99 from the sugar of milk. Okay, then when you have to make third C you have to make 1 grain from 2C. Okay, then 99 part from sugar of milk. Okay, so
Sugar
remember
of
this. 99 part you have to take from sugar of milk. Okay, because it is used for trituration. Okay, and this 1 grain is equal to 65 milligram. Okay, yesterday I told wrongly. Okay, 65 milligram, remember it. Okay, because 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay, and you can see in measurement chapter also it is given. Okay, it is actually old method of calculation of weight of a drug. Nowadays it is not used, but Dr. Hahnemanian time grain was used, and that's why it is just given. Okay, so remember this: 1 grain is equal to 65 milligram, and 1 grain is equal to 0.065 gram. Okay, remember this. Okay, many times it comes as a objective question also in exam, and be careful with the units. Okay, milligram or gram. Okay, next part is the conversion of trituration into liquid potency. Okay, again, because you cannot do like always. Okay, now here one important thing is there. Okay, why we are doing trituration? Why we are doing trituration? Anybody can answer? Neha, why we are doing trituration? Anybody can answer? Hello?
Sir, in
Sir,
case of
putative power.
insoluble substance,
Yes, okay, we are doing trituration because these things are insoluble. Okay, these things are insoluble. Okay, but at some stage, okay, well, like when we are making 1C, 2C, 3C. Okay, now Dr. Hahnemann or like European Committee of Homeopathy, they felt at this level when we are doing a trituration. Okay, means it is properly triturated, and now this particle is able to dissolve in alcohol or water. Okay, so what stage is this? Conversion of trituration into liquid potency. Okay, just 251 page. Okay, just conversion. Okay, means we made, okay, in centesimal scale we from crude drug we made 1C, then from 1C we made 2C, then from 2C we made 3C. Okay, till here you have any doubt or anything you want to ask, you want to clarify anything, please clarify. Okay, till 3C, till 3C, from crude drug we have made 1C, from 1C we made 2C, from 2C we made 3C. Now you have any confusion in this, please tell. Nobody has confusion? Okay,
no, sir.
okay. So why we have done trituration? Okay, like as it was told, okay, key trituration we are doing because that drug material was not soluble in water or liquid vehicle. Okay. Now, but at some stage, Dr. Hahnemann or European Committee of Homeopathy, they felt कि homeopathic these medicines can dissolve after some time. Okay, that was not dissolving because that is not properly miscible in the distilled water or alcohol. Okay, but when we just in the centesimal scale, okay, centesimal scale, okay, when we just go to 3C potency, after that it can dissolve. Okay, means the particles of the your drug material is so much like powdered. Okay, so much powdered or so much it is dissolved in the sugar of milk. Now it can be dissolved in the liquid potency also. Okay, that's why here it is called as a conversion of trituration into liquid potency. And remember these things. Okay, centesimal scale conversion only occur after 3C. Okay, conversion only occur after 3C if it is not soluble in water or alcohol. Okay, remember it. Okay, just you need to remember this. Okay, कि you, if any drug material is there that is not soluble in alcohol and water, okay, you have made 1C potency, 2C potency, 3C potency. Now after 3C potency, okay, you can convert it into liquid potency. Remember it. Okay, remember. Okay, you need to remember this key. In centesimal scale you can convert it into 3C. From 3C to 4C you can convert into liquid potency. Okay, we will go ahead. We cannot convert every trituration into liquid potency. I told you 1C, 2C, 3C. We can convert only from 6x trituration under decimal scale and third under the centesimal scale into liquid potency. These things you underline, you need to remember. Okay, in decimal scale, from crude drug you will made 1x, 1x to 2x, 2x to 3x, 3x to 4x, 4x to 5x, 5x to 6x, and after 6x now you can convert. If you want it in liquid potency, you can convert it into liquid potency. You need to remember it. Okay, means in decimal scale you can convert it from 6x potency, and in centesimal scale you can convert into liquid potency from 3C potency. Okay, so okay, please remember this. Okay, Manish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when we can convert in centesimal scale into liquid potency, centesimal scale, when we can
Yes.
convert.
So when substances are not soluble in liquid.
When it is soluble, then we can convert. Okay, 3C, 3C, remember it. Okay, 3C. Okay, then in decimal
Okay.
scale. Okay, and then Disha, when we can convert in decimal scale, when we can convert.
Sir, from 6x.
Yes, okay, from 6x we can convert. Okay, remember these things. Okay, these things are very important. As you have remembered your roll number, like that, you need to remember this. Okay, there is no any logic, means like logical thing or any formula. You need to remember this as it is. Okay, from 3C you can convert in the centesimal scale, and 6x you can convert from the decimal scale. Okay, next we will go. Okay, trituration below, because if you will not remember this we cannot go ahead. Okay, many practicals are also concerned with this. Okay, then next is the trituration below this degree or uh, fineness we cannot transfer into the liquid stage, as neither purified water nor alcohol will be able to dissolve them. This is the reason. Okay, कि third C, third under the centesimal scale into liquid potency, trituration below this degree of fineness. Okay, trituration below this degree of fineness we cannot transfer into liquid state, as neither purified water nor alcohol will be able to dissolve them. Remember it. Okay, again remember these things. This part is very much important. Okay, so till here everything is clear. Millie. Okay, next. The first liquid potency prepared from trituration under centesimal scale is fourth, and under decimal scale is 8x. Okay, so these are small things, but many times these are asked in objective question, and if your concept is not clear, it is very difficult for you. Okay, so remember this. Okay, means first liquid potency for any trituration drug material in centesimal scale is 4c. Okay, remember it, 4c, because after 3c we can convert into 4c, but in decimal scale it is little confusing. If you are converting from 6x, then how it will be the 8x. Okay, and under decimal scale is 8x. Okay, this you will understand later on. Okay, how, because now if I will tell, you will be confused. Okay, from 6x to directly how it come to 8x, where is 7x. Okay, this you will understand later on. Okay, so till here everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to read. Still you are not understanding, please tell me next class. Okay, Monday we will take next class. So there you tell me. Okay, because these things you will not understand, and it will be a big problem. Okay, for me also and for you all also. Okay, these are the basic concepts. Okay, then conversion into centesimal scale from 3c to 4c. Conversion in the centesimal scale from 3c to 4c. Okay, how will you do the process of conversion? Okay, from crude drug material you made 1c, from 1c you made 2c, from 2c you made 3c, from 3c now you can convert into liquid potency, because solid, you don't want to keep solid potency. Okay, so you now, so conversion into centesimal scale from 3c to 4c, this process we will learn. Okay, how will you convert, this conversion process also we will learn. All these things are in your practical also. Okay, remember all these things you have to perform practical. Okay, if things are okay. Okay, so here a clean new round file, okay, of 1 ounce capacity is taken. Okay, so a clean new round file of 1 ounce capacity is taken. It is fitted with a new volvet cork. Okay, this is very simple, clear. Okay, the cork is marked with the name of the drug to be prepared and fourth potency of it. Okay, any drug. Okay, any drug you are making fourth potency. Okay, so that you have to mark. Okay, then the cork is removed and 1 grain of third trituration. How much? 1 grain. Okay, 1 grain of third trituration. Then the cork is removed and 1 grain of third trituration of the drug is put into the phial. Okay, now what we will do? 50 minims of purified water is poured over it. Okay, what is the meaning of minims in general language? I told you earlier also.
Drops.
Drops.
Minims means
Drops.
drops. Okay, okay, so 50 drops of purified water is poured over it. The file is stirred well to dissolve the drug substances. 50 minims of dilute alcohol is added to it. Okay, so total how many minims? 50 minims of purified water and 50 minims of dilute alcohol, how much?
100 minutes.
100 minims. Good. Okay, then 100 minims. Oh, okay, so 50 minims of dilute alcohol is added. It is, then it is corked. Okay, means you just close the cover. Okay, next is the file must not be filled more than 2 by third in any case. Okay, these things just you remember, in any case. Okay, anything, when you are making a medicine, when you are doing a trituration, when you are doing a succussion, when you are doing any type of medication, never fill your medicine full. Okay, everywhere, sometimes it is given 2 by third, sometimes it is given 3 by 4. Okay, but you need to remember some space you have to keep empty nearby neck part. Okay, remember this. Okay, the file must not be filled more than 2 by third in any case. Okay, the bottom of the file is placed on the little finger, okay, of the right hand. The thumb of the same hand should be placed on the cork. The file should be tightly held with other finger. Then 10 downwards strokes are given to the file on the palm of the other hand. Okay, remember this. Okay, this procedure just now I will, when class will be there, I will demonstrate all the process. Okay, means very simple thing is there. Okay, very simple way of doing this. Okay, so I will explain in class this. Okay, कि just your thumb. Okay, this thumb will be here. Okay, on the, suppose if I am taking a pen. Okay, pen. Okay, so here you have to keep like this. Okay, it is not so clear. Okay, I will demonstrate in class. Okay, later on. So the bottom of the file is placed on the little finger of the right hand. Okay, the thumb of the same hand should be placed on the cork. The file should be tightly held with other fingers. Then 10 strokes are given in this file on the palm of the left hand. Okay, means stroke will be like this. Okay, this we have to give the 10 downwards stroke. Okay, like this. Okay, so these things I will explain, or I will demonstrate in class. Okay, later on. Okay, just remember this. Okay, then 1 minims of the fourth potency and 99 minims of alcohol, and then 10 downwards stroke will give the fifth potency. Okay, all the following potencies will be prepared by taking 1 minims of the preceding potency and 99 minims of the alcohol. Okay, so now how we have converted, we have taken 1 grain. Okay, from the third C potency, because from third C only we can convert. Okay, then we have taken 50 minims of purified water, we have taken 50 minims of dilute alcohol, we have dissolved it properly. Okay, in a file, and we have given 10 downwards stroke. Okay, and after that what we got is the 4C potency. Okay, and from 4C we will take again one part or 1 minim. Okay, 1 minim. Now here we will not take grain, here we, because it is liquid, that's why we will take a 1 minim or 1 drop. Okay, and 99 minims of that alcohol, and again we will keep 10 downwards stroke, and we will get the next potency, that is the fifth potency, and it will go on. Okay, it will go on. Okay, so this is the process of preparing the next liquid potency. Okay, so till here everything is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
now
Yes, sir.
next we will go to the conversion of decimal scale from 6x to 8x. Okay, this is called as a jumping potency. Remember it. Many times this question is asked in exam. Okay, what is jumping potency? Okay, so what is jumping potency? Jumping potency is, this is conversion of 6x solid potency, 6x solid potency, or to 8x liquid potency. This procedure is called as a jumping potency. Okay, remember this. These things are asked many times in your question paper. You, if you go to previous year question paper, you will find the things. Okay, a clean new round file of 1 ounce capacity is taken. Okay, a clean round, okay, new file of 1 ounce is taken. Okay, it filled with a new valvet cork, fitted with new valvet cork. Okay, the cork is marked with the name of the drug to the preferred and 8x potency written on it. Then the cork removed, and 1 grain of 6x trituration of the drug is put into the file. Okay, here also you will take 50 minims, it is x, you will not take 5 minims. Okay, and why you will not take 5 minims, we will learn later on. Okay, here also to make 6x to 8x potency, here you have to then cork removed and 1 grain of 6x, the cork is marked with the name of the drug to be prepared and 8x potency written on it. Then the cork removed, and 1 grain of 6x trituration of the drug is put. Okay, 1 grain, you have to just put the 1 grain of the trituration of, you have to put. Okay, then the put in the file. 50 minims of the purified water is poured over it. Okay, like previous time. Then file is stirred well to dissolve the drug substances. Then again 50 minims of the dilute alcohol is added to it, and it is corked. Okay, again you will keep 10 downwards stroke. Okay, the process of making liquid potency for both is similar. Okay, for centesimal and decimal. Okay, 50 minims of purified water and 50 minims of dispensing alcohol. Okay, dilute alcohol. The file must not be filled more than second two-third in the case. The bottom of the file is placed on the little finger of the right hand. Same procedure. The thumb of the same hand should be placed on the cork. The file should be tightly held with the other finger. Then 10 strokes are given in this file on the palm of the left hand. Each stroke should end in a jerk. The 8x potency is prepared. Okay. Now you will tell where is the 7x potency. Okay. We will learn later on. Okay. Where is 7x potency. Okay. Because here we have taken 50 minims of purified water and 50 minims of dilute alcohol. Okay. 50 50 100. Okay, so what is the drug strength in this drug? Okay, 6x. If you will make 8x, what is the drug strength? Can you tell, Neha?
Yes, sir.
What is drug strength? When you are making 6x potency into liquid form, 50 minims you have taken purified water, 50 minims you have taken dilute alcohol, so what will be the drug strength? What is the formula for drug strength? Drug divided by drug plus vehicle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So drug is 1 grain is there, 1 grain drug is there, divided by 1 plus 50 minims of purified water plus 50 minims of dilute alcohol. So 1 by 101, that is equivalent to 1 by 100. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Okay. 1
Yes,
by
sir.
okay, so that's why it is directly converted into 8x. Okay, 7x is not there. Why? Because the when next potency was prepared, its drug strength is 1 by 100 instead of 1 by 10. Okay, that's why it was converted into this 8x potency. Okay, is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay, Millie,
Yes, sir.
is it clear or not? Okay, you go through this part. Okay, and
Sir, my network.
okay,
Yes, sir.
network. Okay, okay, it's not a problem. Okay, you go through this chapter. Okay, and still confusion, you can ask me in WhatsApp also. Okay, because we can repeat. These are important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then next is the 7x
Yes, sir.
potency. 7x potency cannot be prepared according to the decimal scale because if 9 minims of alcohol is taken and the succeeding with 1 grain of the 6x potency, then it will not be dissolved as European Committee of Homeopathy and as per Dr. Henneman. Okay, say why we are not able to make 7x liquid potency, because that only 10 minims of the liquid drop is not sufficient to dissolve the 1 grain of drug material. Okay, 1 grain of drug material. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, if examiner will ask, okay, in decimal scale, why we directly from 6x to 8x we jump, why we are not able to prepare 7x. Okay, the answer is 1 grain of drug materials. Okay, 10 minims of liquid or 10 minims of purified water and alcohol is not able to dissolve as per, okay, Dr. Henneman or European Committee of Homeopathy. Okay, be careful. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so we will go ahead. Answer is here only. Okay, just don't take tension. Okay,
Sir,
7x
10 or 9 minutes?
9 minims, 9 minims.
Yes, sir.
Decimal is normally in decimal scale ratio is equal to 1 is to 9 na, 1 is to 9. Okay, so suppose we will not
Okay.
take 50, suppose we will not take 50 minims. Okay, we will take 5 minims of pure water and 5 minims of dilute alcohol. Okay, but as per 5 and 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so one, so 10 is equivalent to, like, 9 is equivalent to 10. One they are not considering. Okay, just one they are not considering. Okay, So like that, okay. So in 10 drops of liquid, okay, just here I will give one hypothetical example, okay. Suppose, okay, you have taken in a file 1 grain, okay, 1 grain of the previous potency. Now you want to make 7x. What you will do? You will take 5 grain of purified water, 5 grain of dilute alcohol. Okay, you are take 5 is 10. Okay, now in 10 drops of that liquid, mixed liquid, it is not dissolving. Okay, that's why we are taking 50 and 50. That is 100. Okay, so that is the reason 7x is not possible to make. Okay, still some confusion.
No, sir.
Okay, still confusion. Okay, just go through it. Okay, then and in next class also again we can discuss this. Okay, it is not a problem. Okay, we can again because I want everyone will understand it. If you will not understand this, it is not use of studying homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, because this is the only way by which these things nobody will teach you in materia medica organ and later on. Okay, yeah, how to prepare homeopathic medicine. Okay.
Oh, you left.
Next is the 7x potency cannot be prepared according to the decimal scale because if 9 minims of alcohol is taken and succeeded with 1 grain of 6x potency, then it will not be dissolved. Okay, in that much it will not be dissolved. For dissolving it fully, okay, we need more amount. In dissolving it fully, 50 here, okay, just come to 253 page. Okay, in between two things are there that we will discuss. Okay, uh, 53 50 minims of alcohol and 50 minims of purified water are taken. Okay, so here just see what calculation I told. Okay, 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 minim. 100 minim can be divided into 10 into 10. If one part of 6x and 10 minims were to be taken in a preparation, it will have been 7x, but as we are taken to 10, okay, 10 minims into 10 minims, so one more potency will be increased, thus it will be a 8x. Okay, if you are taking only 10 minims, then it will not dissolve. So we are taking 10 minims into 10 10 into 10, okay, 100 minims. Okay,